Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Home Run Derby in MLB The Show. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Play Now option. From there, you will find the Home Run Derby mode. You can then choose up to 8 players to compete, selecting from a wide roster of powerful hitters. Pick your preferred stadium, and you are ready to begin your quest for the Derby crown. To hit those towering blasts, timing is absolutely crucial. Wait for the pitch to come into your hitting zone, then press the swing button at the perfect moment. For maximum power, hold down the swing button slightly longer to execute a power swing. This will give you the best chance to send the ball over the fence, often reaching distances of over 400 feet. Practice makes perfect for consistent contact. Selecting the right slugger is key. Look for players with power ratings above 90. Pay close attention to your plate coverage indicator, or PCI, and try to center it on the ball for perfect contact. While it might be tempting to swing at everything, be patient and wait for pitches in your wheelhouse. This strategy helps you hit more home runs and avoid unnecessary outs, maximizing your score. Each round presents a new challenge, typically requiring you to hit 25 home runs or outscore your opponent within a set time limit. The player with the most home runs at the end of the final round is crowned the champion. Remember, consistent practice will sharpen your timing and improve your ability to hit those long balls, making you a true home run derby master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.